Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governorship of oil-rich Delta State has been keenly contested since the advent of the Fourth Republic in 1999. It is therefore no surprise that from the day Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori indicated his interest to govern Delta State, he has been at the receiving end of coordinated political attacks aimed at stopping him in his tracks. The following mini-documentary highlights the many obstacles confronting Oborevwori and how he has been able to surmount them one after the other.
Delta State, behold, Right Honorable Sheriff Francis Oborevwori, the Ukodo of Okpe Kingdom, Speaker, Delta State House of Assembly, and rightful PDP governorship candidate for Delta State. Destined to rule over Delta State, so many obstacles had been erected on his path to fulfilling his destiny by political opponents. But one by one, these obstacles have been dismantled. First, they claimed he had no secondary education. His classmates replied,
to say that Sheriff did not attend a secondary school is the worst form of lie I have ever heard.
Again, they alleged that he was not a university graduate. A classmate responded,
"We were schoolmates at master's level, and Abraga is not far. You can even use Okada to the place and find out."
Next, they accused him of certificate forgery and identity theft to justify their claim that his many certificates belonged to someone else. That too failed. Not only did the district court in Abuja affirm that the speaker is the original owner of the name, his Osubi community in Delta State had also debunked the allegation.
As the Lord lives, there's no other person bearing Francis Oborevwori in Osubi or alive or dead.
So many court cases were instituted to stop Oborevwori's bid to occupy Government House Asaba. But one by one, he has won all the cases. The final court case is at the Supreme Court of Nigeria. His lawyers remain confident of victory.
We are fairly confident that the high quality of this judgment is such that the Supreme Court, in all likelihood, will affirm this judgment by the grace of God.
Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori is a shining star whose successes have attracted both friends and foes alike.
Fortune smile on him. That is why a lot of people are envious and jealous of him.
Like a fruitful tree that is constantly stoned, Oborevwori is regularly attacked from several angles. However, all his political battles amount to one thing.
It's a political setup, like political opponent that wants to rob him of his right because he has already won the election.
The setup is aimed at achieving something.
Blackmail of the highest order, and to stop blackmailing him.
Most Deltans and Oborevwori's uncle are all saying enough is enough.
People can leave my son home.
Yes, indeed, let Oborevwori be and let him pursue his legitimate ambition of governing Delta State from May 29th, 2023.
In all this, I believe he's going to earn the praise.
Sheriff Francis Oborevwori expects more.